What's up, you guys? How's it going today? So as you know, I'm doing a vegan challenge this week. Hopefully it lasts longer than a week. I'm kind of trying it out and seeing if I like it, seeing if I can hit my macros, hit my protein and my calories and really track that and see if I can still do what I'm already doing, but meat-free, dairy-free, and egg-free, which would be awesome. So today I'm going through some meal prep with you. So my first meal, I've got some sweet potato, I got cauliflower, I've got edamame, black beans, and some veggie sausage. So I'm really excited to try it out, and I'm excited to let you guys know how it turned out. Look at all these colors, it looks delicious. Might be awesome, might suck, we'll see. Okay, seriously you guys, this faux veggie sausage is incredible. It tastes exactly like regular sausage. I fried it up with my veggies and it tastes awesome. I added some cayenne pepper to the mixture to make it a little bit spicy. I love my spicy foods. Everything that I'm cooking always has cayenne pepper, as some of you may know if you follow my Get Fit tracking account on Instagram. So I'll put that link below. But yeah, I think this is a really awesome breakfast that I'm definitely gonna do again. It's full of a bunch of nutrients. I am super happy with this and it turned out great. So that breakfast was extremely filling, so that proportion that I showed you guys definitely wasn't all eating. I split it in half and I'm saving the rest for tomorrow. This is why I suck. Talk to you guys about why I'm doing this vegan challenge. So basically what happened was we had a member come into our work and he's super hardcore vegan, the sweetest guy, and he's so nice to talk to. And this week we had a discussion about trying vegan, and my biggest concern was hitting protein for one and how much more expensive it is to buy faux vegan meats versus real meat and how much cheaper it is. And so we kind of discussed, like, is the price really worth it, and whatever makes you feel good at the end of the day. And like, if you can go your whole day without eating meat and you can feel good about that, then it's definitely worth a few extra dollars, if it even costs a few extra dollars. So this week I'm really testing myself to see, I'm gonna do my grocery, do my meal prep, and really see how much it costs me to eat on a day versus what it did before, and how much my groceries are, and if I'm hitting enough macros, and if I'm hitting my calories. And I really just want to take that into consideration. If I can do this, I would love to be able to just cut out meat entirely, cut out dairy, cut out eggs, and be able to feel good about myself at the end of the day and enjoy what I'm eating and eat more healthy foods and feel good. Today has been a success. We have got lots of meal prep done. I got my whole day done, and then I can go to work. I feel like I'm gonna be having way too much food on my lunch and I'm not gonna be able to eat it all, but I'll try my best so I can hit those macros and hit those calories. Have a good day, guys.